Hey, welcome back to Truck U. We are continuing on our build on this Mojave Jeep today. Now, we've got some cool stuff we've already shown you, and a cool addition right now is going to come to you from the guys at ClearLidz. It's a clear top that basically allows a little sun to get in your face and make you feel a little brighter driving around inside of it. And the nice thing about this thing, it is durably built, and it is shatterproof, and it installs without any tools. So it'll keep the rain, the elements, all that stuff away from you, but let you feel Mother Nature beating on your chest. Matt likes driving around getting a little sun-kissed, you know?
I like to feel like I'm at the beach when I'm driving, which sometimes is hard to pull off. But I want to talk about the options because they've got this for a lot of the Wranglers. You know, with the JKs and the JLs going back to 2007. They've got them for the Gladiators going back to 2020. And I know there's a couple different populations in this world, right? There's Jeep people, which is why we're doing this, but there are also new Bronco people, too. So we want to let all you guys know, if you like the new Broncos, they are working on these for the Broncos as well. So stay tuned. They're going to have those in the not-so-distant future.
Well, in the near future, we need to get this installed. Are you ready?
Yeah, you did so good on the wiring that I'll take the lead on this one.
So you do it by yourself?
No. You're like the best supporting host I know. So I'm going to let you
I'll take that as a compliment.
Yeah, hand me one of those.
All right. Which side?
There we go. I'll tell you in a minute.
Ready? Oh, yeah. Good. You did.
Hey, one of the things I'm looking forward to when it gets a little bit darker, which we're getting close with the clouds, is playing with the rock lights down there.
No, I love it. You know what? I like this top, man. It feels so much brighter and more airy in here.
It's like the cab feels taller.
Right.